Hello, hi, welcome back to another video. Which, if you have clicked on, I have to give you the disclaimer. Okay, if you have not read the book Sunrise on the Reaping, or you have no idea and you don't want any spoilers, and you also don't want to just know the plot before the movie comes out, click off, because this video is going to be full of spoilers and full of details that basically should not be disclosed to anybody who wants to watch the movie and does not want spoilers. I'm going to give you 3 seconds to click off. Okay, I'm guessing you have clicked off. So the rest of us who are ready to talk about it, first of all, how are you doing? If you have read the book, how are you doing? Because I know no mentally sane person is going to be okay after reading the book. I finished reading the book today. I started reading it a couple of days back, but I had to pause every time I was reading the book because इतना कुछ है process करने को. ये कोई ऐसे हल्का फल्का बुक नहीं लिखा है सुजैन कॉलिंस ने. Like, she went all out. I have the book with me, so if you're someone who has not purchased the book and is just here for the vibes, this is what the book looks like. Just what I have decided to dress up as. I know it's nowhere near the same, but this is the book Sunrise on the Reaping by Suzanne Collins, and it has 27 chapters in total. तो अगर आपको पढ़ना अच्छा लगता है, please get the book. Also, the movie is out in the theaters next year, I think, and they are coming up with the castings as well. It's an interesting thing. Read it, you'll enjoy it. But apart from that, this video is about what I thought about the book and what I think. I am also fashioning my Mockingjay pin today because obviously Hunger Games video है यार, fashion करना पड़ेगा. And like I was saying, I read the book. I started reading the book a couple of days before. I finished reading it today. I was traumatized the entire afternoon. I had to take a nap because, you know, every time you're reading a Hunger Games वाला कोई भी book, you're like, I know what Hunger Games is about. It's okay, मुझे पता है, people are going to die. It's a bleak dystopian novel. World building अच्छा है, but people are going to die. Anytime you feel like ये character मुझे पसंद है, they will die. You think you're prepared until you start reading it and you're invested. Like, that is how you know Suzanne Collins is on point. She knows what she's doing. When I started reading the book, मुझे पता था कि people are going to die, and Haymitch जो character है, like, if you know who Haymitch is, we know Haymitch is a victor, so he will be winning the Hunger Games. जो इस book में, this entire book is about Haymitch, and Haymitch is, you know, time when Haymitch was reaped, and he's 16 years old in the book, and he is sent off to the arena, and it's a quarter quell. So as it goes, for quarter quell you have 2 extra people accompanying the normal 2 tributes. Now the book starts, and the twist is Haymitch does not get reaped actually. जैसे reaping होती है, like they open the chits and they will read out the names. तो Haymitch का name नहीं आता है. So you as a reader are like, what is going on? But मुझे पता है Haymitch तो जाएगा. So I'm waiting for it, and it's funny because Haymitch is reaped because he tries to protect someone else who ends up running. Like, किसी और बंदे का नाम आता है, and the guy just starts running, and the peacemakers, basically the लॉ एंड ऑर्डर वाले जो होते हैं, रूथलेस हैं ये. दे गो आफ्टर द गाय, एंड हेमिच की जो गर्लफ्रेंड है लेनोर डव, विच बाय द वे आई डिड नॉट like Lenore Dove उतना ज़्यादा because I felt like she was too much on the nose. She was a rebel at heart, and I understand Haymitch उसे पसंद करता था and everything, and there's this entire love story that builds up moments before the reaping day. Reaping day is also Haymitch's birthday, which is shown. So now this peacemaker has run off after this guy who is running away because his name has been called out on the reaping day, and he's running away, Fattu. So Lenore Dove is running after that guy to protect him from the peacemaker, like the girl she is. And Haymitch, being Haymitch, he's like, no, not my girlfriend. He runs after her, and इस सब भसड़ में क्या होता है, Haymitch gets picked. Haymitch gets picked, which is the worst possible thing that could have happened. Haymitch is reaped, and he is now asked to be sent off to the games. And Haymitch shock में है, reader shock में है, writer also probably shock में है, I don't know. बट इधर वे इट हैपन्स एंड उसके बाद वर्ल्ड बिल्डिंग शुरू होता है, विच वी नो मेलोड्रामा होगा. प्लूटार्क हेवेंसबी इज शोन. प्लूटार्क हेवेंसबी इज यंग एंड देन द थिंग विच वॉज हैपनिंग व्हेन आई वाज रीडिंग द बुक वाज आई वाज कंटिन्यूसली चेकिंग द कास्टिंग, क्योंकि इनकी कास्टिंग हो गई है फॉर द मूवी, फॉर सनराइज ऑन द रीपिंग की कास्टिंग हो गई है. सो आई वुड ओपन गूगल एंड आई वुड चेक who the actors are, and oh my god, the casting is so perfect. Plutarch Heavensbee की casting हो गई है, so I check who Plutarch Heavensbee is. Perfect casting. Then I can imagine that character playing that role with those dialogues and it's perfect. उसके बाद Plutarch Heavensbee का एंगल ये रहता है कि he tries to give Haymitch some moments with his mom and his brother, and I can now understand why Heavensbee was the way he was. But if you have not read any of the books of like Hunger Games वाले series में and you just decide to read the book Sunrise on the Reaping, ऐसा नहीं है कि you won't get the plot. You will obviously get the plot, you will understand it, and in fact you would be encouraged to read the other Hunger Games books as well. लेकिन Sunrise on the Reaping में like because Plutarch Heavensbee is younger, you kind of don't understand the bigger picture and you're like, बंदा ऐसा क्यों है? Why is he giving Game of Thrones का little finger vibes, you know, like which side are you on, which is portrayed very beautifully, क्योंकि Haymitch के thought process से we are also like, you know, understanding the plot and the story as it's going. Now he has been reaped and the other characters that, you know, like I said, Quarter Quell रहता है, तो Quarter Quell is basically 50th हंगर गेम्स है, तो बिकॉज इट्स अ स्पेशल ईयर दे रीप 2 more people. तो 2 ट्रिब्यूट नॉर्मली जाते हैं, अ बॉय एंड अ गर्ल, एंड उसके अलावा 2 और ट्रिब्यूट दे पिक विच इज़ अ बॉय एंड अ गर्ल. तो नाउ 2 girls and 2 boys are going, so total 4 tributes from each district, and there are total 12 districts going for the Hunger Games. And characters हैं Haymitch के अलावा is a girl named Maisley, a boy named Wyatt, and another girl named Luella McCoy. Luella is a kid. Basically सारे ही बच्चे हैं because below 18 की reaping होती है, मतलब above 18 का भी होता है, but below 18 में you have more chances. So Haymitch is 16, Maisley is also I think 16, Wyatt is also of the same age I think, and Luella McCoy is a kid basically, 11-12 साल की बच्ची होती है वो, and these people have been reaped and they are put together in this train. They are on their way to the capital, which is basically जहाँ पे Hunger Games होता है, which is so dystopian by the way. Capital के like if you don't know, capital के जो लोग हैं they basically watch the games along with other people of the 12 districts, and it's for funsies. Like 4th July को they celebrate their day of freedom from the dark days, which is basically a freedom fighting type का कुछ रहता है, नॉर्मल जैसे हमारे रियल लाइफ में भी हुआ है. दैट इज़ एग्जैक्टली वॉट शी हैज़ ड्रॉन इंस्पिरेशन फ्रॉम. एंड दीज पीपल आर पुट टुगेदर इन एन अरीना एंड आर मेड टू फाइट. बेसिकली एक ही विनर हो सकता है, सो everybody needs to kill each other in order to survive, and the one last person standing is declared as the victor. तो अब ये चारों कैपिटल जा रहे हैं for their Hunger Games, and each tribute, like each district has their own kind of एक camera person होता है, which is Plutarch Heavensbee for District 12 in the book. Then there's this another kind of a manager बोल सकते हो, who manages outfits and their speeches and everything. Mentor अलग चीज़ है. Mentor will also come, but mentor is different. Mentor is more so related to the technicality of the game, but एक overall manager रहता है which comes and basically picks up the chits of the tributes from each district. So District 12 in Haymitch's world has this one woman called Drusilla, who is basically an evil woman dressed up, you know, vain है काफ़ी. People are dying of hunger and she is dressed up in colorful dresses and makeup, और उसको वही पता है, and nobody respects District 12. Because obviously coal mine वाले हैं, ज़्यादा पैसा नहीं, and everything which is very true to the plot जो Katniss and Peeta के टाइम पे भी था, so I'm not surprised. Now all these people are on the train. Drusilla, Maisley, Haymitch, Wyatt, Luella McCoy and Plutarch Heavensbee, and अभी just reap हुए हैं, so the emotions are running high and everybody is pissed or scared or angry, and सब डरे हुए हैं कि what are we going to do. They've just said goodbye to their family members. Haymitch तो बिना मतलब वहाँ ट्रेन में बैठा हुआ है because he was not even supposed to be going, but he's too smart for himself, so he has put himself in this danger, and he's on the train now with the other 3 tributes. अब ऐसा होता है कि my favorite character was Maisley, and you might think who Maisley is. Maisley is a baddie. भाई Maisley is from District 12. Maisily Donner है उसका पूरा नाम, and Maisily is a bit of, you know, one of those rich kids in the district. So her family is well off. They have this candy shop and coal mining वाला district है. So miners के लिए candy is basically luxury. So her parents and her entire family own that business, and she's one of the two twins. So she has a twin sister named Merrily, and she's Maisily, and Maisily has been raped, and she's a baddie. She's a well dressed prim and proper baddie. Luella को वो पहले मतलब bully करती है because she says कि you cannot be a wimp, which is true. Like, why are you already resigning now that you have been raped and you know you are about to die? You might as well die with some dignity, right? And Maisily is one of those people who will always put dignity before anything else. Like, मुझे पता है मैं मरूँ मैं ना मरूँ, but my dignity comes first, which is, I was like, yes girl, yes, preach. And Maisily का Luella, and she's also one of those people, you know, कि उसके पेट में जो उसके मुंह में है, like she is not somebody who will mince her words. Like, she knows कि too many people are pretending to be something else, and when you're in the face of death, what's the point of thinking about cameras and everything? But I mean, I could see why Himich was thinking the way he was thinking, because he had a bigger purpose. But उसको basically game में he did not want to be another victim, and Maisily also did not want to be another victim. But the way Maisily saw the game and the way Himich saw the game were very two different perspectives. I personally stan Maisily, because what happens next is they're on the train, and Drusilla, this person that I told who reaps these kids, is basically bullying these kids कि भाई तुम्हारे पास ना पैसा है ना कुछ है, you broke ass kids, तुम लोग भाई मरने वाले हो, you guys better be keeping my name up, क्योंकि obviously these kids are going to represent her in the arena in the entire country, which is Panem. Name of the country is Panem. They're going to be watching these kids, so obviously they're kind of watching Drusilla's efforts in training them, mentoring them, whatever, grooming them basically. And Drusilla is like basically bullying these kids on the train, and Maisily does not take it, bro. She does not take it. She bullies her back. Now you have to understand, Drusilla is this grown ass woman, and Maisily is a 16-year-old kid who has been raped from District 12, which by the way, even if you're rich in District 12, you're broke overall, क्योंकि capital में जितना पैसा है districts में उतना पैसा है नहीं, and District 12 being the last district is kind of sort of the worst district you could come from in the Hunger Games universe. So Maisily, but you could never say that kid. Why I love her is because she will eat with good cutlery. She will be dressing well. She has her dressing sense. Like, she's like reviewing outfits on the train. Drusilla ko she starts clapping back like, bro, you better know what to talk about, because you cannot bully Maisily. She's like, you could have dressed better for all the money you have. And I was like, bhai sahab, guts. And then Drusilla does not take it, so she slaps Maisily, and I'm like, अरे भाई slapping wapping हो रहा है, अब तो serious हो रहा है matter. But the minute you think somebody has overpowered Maisily, you're wrong, because Maisily slaps her back. Maisily is like, bhai, I'm not taking this shit. I don't care who you are. I don't care how much money you make. I am Maisily Donner, and you will not be talking to me like that. She slaps Drusilla on the face, and Drusilla, I mean, I don't even know how to say. I mean, Drusilla क्या मैं भी उस जगह पे होती, I would be speechless. Drusilla is just speechless. इतना bully करके she just shuts up and sits down, और वो कांपने लगती है भाई. And the way Himich is described is so funny. इतना तेज से उसको थप्पड़ पड़ता है. Her cheeks are red, and even though because of all the makeup and everything, you can see that Maisily got to her. And Plutarch Heavensbee, being Plutarch Heavensbee, the diplomat, he's like, नहीं नहीं ऐसा कुछ नहीं है, you're pretty, you're dressed well, it's okay. And Drusilla basically leaves the room, because इतनी बेइज्जती के बाद कौन ही वहाँ बैठा रहेगा, right? नाउ ट्रेन वाला सीन हो जाता है. उसके बाद दे रीच कैपिटल. वहाँ पे बेसिकली एक शो केसिंग होता है. चैरियट पे ऑल द ट्रिब्यूट्स आर मेड टू सिट ऑन इन देयर outfits are supposed to represent the district you're from, and अब हर एक district का कुछ speciality है. Somebody is like District 12 is coal mining, somebody is, I don't know, wood worker, कुछ लग्जरी वाले हैं. करियर पैक होता है. करियर्स आर बेसिकली डिस्ट्रिक्ट 1, 2 and 4 and 3 ऑल्सो, आई थिंक, आई डोंट नो. बेसिकली करियर पैक्स होते हैं स्टार्टिंग वाले, जिनके पास पैसा है, लग्जरी है, एवरीथिंग है, एंड द रेस्ट ऑफ देम आर बेसिकली द ब्रोक डिस्ट्रिक्ट्स. तो एवरीबडी इज ड्रेस्ड अप रिप्रेजेंटिंग देयर ओन डिस्ट्रिक्ट, बट डिस्ट्रिक्ट 12 गेट्स द वर्स्ट पॉसिबल डिज़ाइनर एवर, ऑब्वियसली, क्योंकि उन्हें कौन पैसा देगा, उन्हें कौन डिज़ाइनर विल, यू नो, want to dress up these broke ass people, उनके पास खाना भी नहीं रहता है, so they basically don't even look good. तो they get the worst designer ever. Magnus Stife नाम होता है उस designer का. And later on the book, later on when I'm reading the book, I find out Magno is a reptile freak basically. Like, when you the junkies who like do weird kind of shit, like they lick reptiles and stuff to like feel high or whatever, वो वैसा पागल है. And Magno and Drusilla are married. You find that out later on in the book, which was a shocker because for a woman who's, what is that? Alarm. Anyways, for a woman who is of that stature, like she pretends like she's this and that, she's married to Magnus Staff. Like, calm down girl, बहुत ज़्यादा बोल रही हो तुम. एनीवेज, सो मैग्नो है उनका डिज़ाइनर, घटिया आउटफिट्स देते हैं उनको, ओवरऑल्स में भेज देते हैं. एंड एज इट गोज, सुज़ैन कॉलिंस विल नॉट गिव यू मोमेंट्स पीस. उनका चैरियट पलट जाता है. उनका भी थोड़े आगे वालों का भी डिस्ट्रिक्ट, कुछ डिस्ट्रिक्ट 6 रहता है आई थिंक, डिस्ट्रिक्ट 6 और 9, उनका भी चैरियट पलट जाता है. देयर इज ब्रेक एक्सीडेंट एंड लुएला द किड बेसिकली, जिसके साथ हेमिच हैड अ सॉफ्ट स्पॉट. हेमिच वाज लाइक, आई डोंट लाइक मेजली बिकॉज मेजली बुलीड मी इन स्कूल. वाइट को ही डज नॉट लाइक बिकॉज वाइट इज दैट टिपिकल कैलकुलेटर फ्रीक गाय हु इज कैलकुलेटिंग ऑड्स, क्योंकि वाइट के पेरेंट्स आर बुक मेकर्स बेसिकली, बेट्स प्लेस होते हैं एंड दैट्स देयर फैमिली बिजनेस. सो हेमिच डज नॉट ट्रस्ट मेजली एंड वाइट एज मच एज ही वुड ट्रस्ट अ लिटिल गर्ल बिकॉज लुएला रिमाइंड्स हिम ऑफ his own brother. But as fate would have it, Luella मर जाती है because of the chariot crash and Haymitch loses his shit. He's like, भाई ये क्या हो रहा है, एक बच्ची थी वो. And also the death is so horrifying and the peacemakers come in. And by the way, none of this is showed to the people of Panem, you know, obviously क्योंकि nobody wants to depict Panem as this country which kills kids, even though they are. But let's not be on the nose, let's not show it up front कि हम बच्चे मार रहे हैं, right, for God knows what. So then he picks up Luella and I don't know, a lot of chaos goes on and then he walks up to the balcony where Snow, President Snow जो है, who is the most evil person on earth, he's standing there and he picks up Luella, he lays Luella down and he looks at him and भाई वो crowd को, I don't know, he spits at the crowd like, Haymitch loses it and Snow obviously cannot have that. But anyway, the night ends and everybody is sad or whatever and उसके बाद बहुत कुछ होता है for which you will have to read the book. Like training होती है उनकी, mentor, they get their own mentors like Mags. If you know, if you watch the Hunger Games universe, you would know who Mags is from District 4. Finnick Odair के साथ रहता है Mags का in one of the Hunger Games movies, so you would know who Mags is. There's Mags and Virus. Virus is another victor of another district, it's the smart girl, okay. तो ये they are their mentors, they try their best and everything and बहुत nostalgic moments भी होते हैं. फिर अरीना में जाते हैं वो तीनों and we can see them becoming friends. Now there's this kid Ampert. Now if you know who BT is, BT is another character in the Hunger Games universe who has stayed through the Hunger Games universe. Even in the Mockingjay he was there, and BT is this smart brainy guy who tricks the arena and that's how he wins every time. BT has won एक time पे, ठीक है. In Haymitch का universe we see BT is already a victor and now BT's son Ampert has been reaped just to play a joke on him. Ampert is this 11-year-old kid like Luella. So basically बहुत बच्चे हैं यार इस पूरे स्टोरी में and you might think that it's such a cute kid and you might get attached and then that kid is dead before you know it. Arena में I would say as a reader who has read other Hunger Games books, I was kind of sort of prepared for what was going on in the arena. I mean, you kind of know how the arena is going to work out if you know Hunger Games का arena and everything, but इतना भी कुछ सरप्राइजिंग एलिमेंट्स नहीं था अपार्ट फ्रॉम लाइक द ब्रूटल डेथ्स. लाइक आई वुड नॉट एक्सपेक्ट समबडी टू डाई दैट ब्रूटली एंड देन समबडी वुड डाई. लाइक एम्पर्ट का तो भाई एक स्केलेटन बचा हुआ था लास्ट में, लाइक एनिमल्स एट हिम ऑफ और समथिंग. एंड और एक लड़की थी फ्रॉम सम अदर डिस्ट्रिक्ट कॉल्ड वैली, उसका तो सर ही काट दिया एक ट्रिब्यूट ने. लाइक दैट्स लाइक द वे शी हैज़ रिटन इट इज़ ब्रूटल एंड दैट गेट्स टू यू. But overall you'll be fine, I mean, because you know Hema is going to survive. But obviously the part where Maisie dies, it hurts because I love that chick, and if you're reading the book I'm pretty sure you will love Maisie as well. She's a baddie, she's like Katniss but thoda or amplified. Like I don't think there's one character in the entire Hunger Games series who I love as much as I love Maisie at this point, because I just love who she is. I love what she stands for, and I love how she wants to die with dignity. And last में she dies with dignity. She does not die begging or crying or anything. And even the arena, maybe she's eating with a fork and a knife. Like she has made this jugaad se she has made some fork and some knife, and she eats her raw food even with a fork and knife. That's how you know. Handkerchief hai uske paas, like she has her nails trimmed proper, bhai kapde proper hai. That's how Maisie is, like, which is why I just love Maisie. Like dignified hai wo kafi, which is why I love that character. And she dies, so obviously it's sad. And uske baad the worst part of the entire book is and has to be the last 5 to 6 chapters, where you know, from where like Maisie starts dying, wahan se the book gets so bleak and depressing, क्योंकि now even after like everybody has died and Haymitch is won, and बीच में also Haymitch does this thing for which I don't want to spoil too much. Spoiler काफ़ी दिए हैं मैंने, but I don't want to give too many spoilers कि क्या हो रहा है. But basically Haymitch pulls off a stunt which people have planned throughout the book, and there are a lot of people even on the capital side who are kind of rebels, जो declare नहीं किए हैं खुद को as rebels and are working basically inside job है. Plutarch Evans भी मिला हुआ है, and they are all trying to cook up this plot which Haymitch is supposed to execute, and he does execute it in the end, even after like he has won. And that does not sit well with Snow, because that is obviously retaliation towards Snow, and ये broadcast नहीं हो रहा है obviously all over the Panem, but it's a fight that has been put up against Snow, and Snow knows that. And Snow gets his revenge when after Haymitch has won, he has been sent back to his district basically on the train, and he goes back with 3 dead bodies, which is obviously Maisie Wyatt and Luella McCoy का dead body. He comes back, and the minute he reaches his home, वो पहुँचता है towards his house, and his house has been set on fire, and his mom and brother have died, like burnt alive. And Haymitch एक part, मतलब the way it has been written is heart wrenching. Like it gets to you कि भाई क्यों, and the minute you're like क्यों हो रहा है उसके साथ ऐसा, why are they doing this. Lenore Dove, like I said, the love of his life, she was in jail because apparently while he was away in the capital preparing for Hunger Games, Lenore Dove back in District 12 was protesting against all this crap like she always does, and she got arrested and she was never let out. And Haymitch did not know that, but Haymitch को बाद में पता चलता है कि she is arrested, and his friends advise him कि मत जाओ, don't go to meet her because she's about to be left and उसको नहीं मारेगा कोई. So Haymitch is like, fine, I won't interfere, let her live, it's okay, उसको वापस आने दो, and then maybe I'll get back to her. That is exactly what he does, until now his family is dead. So this dude, the only hope that is keeping him going on is Lenore Dove, his girlfriend, right? There's this big field before Lenore's house, जो book के starting में also you see, because they describe Lenore and Haymitch sit there, talk, whatever. मतलब sentimental scene है भाई. And he has spotted Lenore Dove, and Lenore Dove has spotted him, and they are running towards each other, and it's the whole jam. And then suddenly what happens is एक पैकेट ऑफ गम ड्रॉप्स मिलता है लेनोर डव को, एंड Haymitch thinks it's the same packet of gum drops that he gifted her when he was leaving the district, but it was apparently not from him, because the minute she eats it, something happens and she dies. Like I said, the minute you think the worst is over, the worst happens. That's this book. So I don't know if this was convincing, 23 minutes of me just talking about it, but like I said, I just had to talk about it क्योंकि मैंने ये book पढ़ा and I loved it in the worst possible way. I mean, any book in the Hunger Games series, when you say you have loved it, you just mean कि भाई मैं traumatized हो गई थी अच्छे से. So that's how you know it's a good book. And yeah, there are obviously, ये बहुत ही ज़्यादा सुपरफिशियल लेवल में इसका डिस्क्रिप्शन था, बट यू हैव टू रीड द बुक फॉर योर सेल्फ एंड लेट मी नो वॉट यू थिंक, बिकॉज it's a story to be unpacked, and there are a lot of instances, and you might get invested in the Hunger Games universe even more. And yeah, that's it. So if you have stayed for 24 minutes ish now, then you're a very patient person and you should be paid for your patience. Thank you. Let me know if you read the book what you think about the book. Yeah, bye.